In part 2 of our series where we write equations for precipitation reactions, we're asked, write an equation for the precipitation reaction that occurs, if any, when solutions of sodium nitrate and lithium sulfate are mixed. I want to start off by converting these names into their chemical formulas. We have sodium nitrate, Na, which has a charge of +1, and nitrate, NO3, which has a charge of 1-. This is the anion, this is the cation. We end up with NaNO3. Here we have lithium sulfate. Lithium has the symbol Li, and sulfate is a polyatomic ion, SO4 2 negative. That 2 negative will be placed right here. Now, if we're mixing these two solutions, the only possible combinations is if this cation and this anion come together. Similarly, lithium needs to come together with nitrate. We'll end up with sodium sulfate with a 2 as a subscript for sodium, and lithium nitrate. Let's take a look and see if any of these forms a precipitate, forms a solid. Let's start with NO3. According to this, compounds containing NO3 will always form a soluble compound. So this right here is soluble. And according to this statement right here, soluble compounds are formed whenever you have sulfate, with the exception of these metals. So this is also soluble. Now, because you'll form two soluble substances if you mix these two together, you won't be forming a precipitate. And so you can't write a chemical equation for this, since it's not a precipitation reaction. That being said, question number 2 is done.